Imagine waking up the morning after a brutal physical workout, feeling like every single muscle fiber in your body is stiff, bruised, and locked in pain. You accept this soreness as normal, assuming your body simply needs days of rest to slowly repair itself. But what if there was a biological mechanism hidden in one of the coldest, most unforgiving environments on Earth that could cut that recovery time in half? By the time this video ends, you are going to understand tissue repair in a way that will completely change how you treat physical recovery and muscle fatigue. We are going to explore the cutting-edge science behind rare Arctic moss compounds, uncovering how these resilient polar plants survive total freezing and how their unique phytochemicals can rapidly accelerate human tissue regeneration and extinguish systemic inflammation. To understand why your muscles get so sore and take so long to heal, we first have to take a microscopic look at what happens inside your tissue when you push your body to its absolute limits. Every time you lift heavy weights, run long distances, or perform intense physical labor, thousands of microscopic tears form across your muscle fibers, sparking a severe, localized inflammatory response. In response to these micro tears, your immune system immediately floods the damaged area with inflammatory signaling proteins, known as cytokines. While this initial inflammation is a necessary first step to clear out cellular debris, an excessive or prolonged inflammatory wave creates massive oxidative stress. This secondary damage causes surrounding healthy tissues to swell, leaving you locked in intense muscle soreness for days. When inflammation lingers unchecked, your body spends immense energy simply managing the soreness rather than actively rebuilding stronger, healthier tissue. Your athletic performance drops, your risk of joint injury spikes, and your chronic fatigue levels soar. Most people attempt to silence this pain by taking synthetic anti-inflammatory drugs, but these medications actually blunt your body's natural muscle-building signals and stress your liver. Modern medicine has spent decades searching for a solution that calms excessive tissue damage without shutting down natural cellular adaptation. The answer unexpectedly arrived from botanists studying extremophile plants in the freezing tundras of Scandinavia, Greenland, and Iceland. In these brutal Arctic landscapes, vegetation must survive months of total darkness, sub-zero temperatures, and severe ultraviolet exposure. Among these polar organisms, species like Icelandic moss, known scientifically as Cetraria icelandica, and Arctic reindeer moss have evolved a mind-blowing survival strategy. Unlike standard plants that perish when frozen, these Arctic mosses contain high concentrations of specialized structural polysaccharides, complex lichinin, and protective polyphenolic compounds that preserve cell membranes even when completely encased in solid ice for months. When biochemists isolated these rare Arctic moss constituents, they discovered a unique class of bioactive polysaccharides and dibenzofuran derivatives like usnic acid in precise, safe microconcentrations. When these compounds interact with human biological tissue, they exhibit extraordinary cell protective properties, acting as natural biological shock absorbers that shield muscle membranes from oxidative breakdown during intense physical strain. The first major mechanism through which Arctic moss extracts accelerate healing is by modulating the nuclear factor kappa B pathway, known as NF-kappa B. NF-kappa B acts as the central command center for inflammation in the human body. By preventing NF-kappa B from overreacting to muscle microtrauma, these polar compounds prevent excessive swelling while allowing necessary tissue repair signals to proceed cleanly. Think of this inflammatory modulation like a highly trained firefighter controlling a controlled burn in a forest. If the fire gets too wild, it destroys the entire forest and destroys healthy trees. But if you regulate the flame carefully, it burns away dead wood and leaves rich nutrients behind for fresh growth. Arctic moss compounds regulate the fire of inflammation so your muscles can rebuild at maximum speed. The second dramatic effect of these polar botanicals is their ability to stimulate macrophage polarization from the inflammatory M1 phase to the regenerative M2 phase. M1 macrophages are the cleanup crew that breaks down damaged tissue, while M2 macrophages are the construction workers that build new protein structures. Arctic moss bioactives speed up this transition, shifting your body from destruction to active repair hours ahead of schedule. In clinical investigations examining Arctic moss and lichen extracts, researchers noted a swift reduction in blood markers of muscle damage, specifically serum creatine kinase and lactate dehydrogenase. Lower levels of these enzymes in the blood mean that muscle cell walls remained intact and protected against structural destruction, allowing athletes to maintain strength and recover exponentially faster between training sessions. Beyond muscle tissue, these rare polar polysaccharides play a vital role in accelerating tendon, ligament, and connective tissue recovery. Connective tissues have notoriously poor blood supply compared to muscles, which is why joint strains and tendinitis often take months to heal. The deep antioxidant compounds in Arctic moss improve microcirculation and support extracellular matrix collagen synthesis in fibrous joints. When you combine accelerated tissue repair with reduced systemic inflammation, the impact on your sleep quality is profound. Severe physical soreness disrupts deep sleep by causing micro-awakenings throughout the night whenever you move in bed. By calming localized muscle ache, Arctic moss extracts allow your nervous system to sink into continuous, slow-wave delta sleep. Deep, slow-wave delta sleep is the exact physiological window when your brain commands the pituitary gland to release natural human growth hormone. Growth hormone is the master molecule for muscle protein synthesis, cellular mitosis, and connective tissue repair. Unlocking deep sleep through natural pain reduction creates a self-reinforcing cycle of rapid healing every single night. Another critical benefit of these extremophile botanicals is their ability to neutralize lactic acid accumulation and mitochondrial oxidative stress. During high-intensity training, your mitochondria work at maximum capacity, generating vast amounts of reactive oxygen species that damage cellular power plants. Arctic moss polyphenols scavenge these free radicals, preserving mitochondrial efficiency and restoring raw daily energy. To fully appreciate the power of these polar plants, we must understand that their efficacy comes from millions of years of extreme evolutionary pressure. While tropical plants focus their energy on competing for sunlight, Arctic mosses focus entirely on cellular preservation and defense against harsh atmospheric conditions. Consuming these specialized molecules equips human cells with that same polar resilience. It is essential to recognize that integrating Arctic moss extracts into your wellness protocol is not about relying on a short-term trick or ignoring fundamental lifestyle practices. True tissue regeneration requires a holistic foundation built on adequate hydration, balanced macronutrient intake, and progressive training load. These rare polar botanicals act as a powerful force multiplier for your hard work. Let us take a practical look at how to properly select, verify, and utilize Arctic moss compounds for optimal biological absorption. Because raw mosses harvested in wild environments can accumulate heavy metals if sourced improperly, it is paramount to choose standardized, cold-extracted extracts from clean, certified northern polar regions like Finland or Iceland. The most effective forms of Arctic moss administration is through liquid tincture extracts or cold water decoctions. Cold water extraction preserves the complex tertiary structure of the delicate polysaccharides and lignin compounds, preventing heat-induced denaturation. Heat processing can destroy up to 60% of the bioactive immunomodulatory polysaccharides responsible for tissue healing. The ideal timing for consuming Arctic moss extracts depends on your specific physical goals. Taking a standardized dose roughly 30 to 60 minutes post-workout helps catch the peak inflammatory window, channeling active bioactives straight to damaged muscle beds. Alternatively, taking a dose before sleep optimizes overnight tissue synthesis and connective tissue rebuilding. To maximize the tissue healing effects of Arctic moss, you should pair it with simple, high-leverage lifestyle habits that promote lymphatic drainage and blood flow. The lymphatic system is responsible for draining inflammatory fluid and dead cellular waste out of your damaged muscles. But unlike your cardiovascular system, your lymph has no pump other than muscle movement. Engaging in 10 minutes of light active recovery, such as gentle walking, swimming, or light cycling on your rest days, acts as a mechanical pump for your lymphatic network. Combining low-intensity movement with Arctic moss bioactives clears micro-swelling from damaged muscle beds vastly faster than lying completely motionless on a couch all day long. Proper cellular hydration is another non-negotiable factor in rapid tissue repair. Damaged muscle cells lose intracellular water, causing them to shrink and signaling your body to break down muscle proteins. Drinking clean water enriched with essential trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, and sodium keeps your cells plump, fully hydrated, and primed for anabolic protein synthesis. We must also address the silent destructive power of chronic mental stress on muscle recovery. High levels of daytime cortisol actively inhibit muscle protein synthesis and impair your body's ability to repair micro tears. Managing your psychological stress through breath work or quiet morning time creates the exact anabolic endocrine environment needed for polar extracts to do their job. What makes Arctic moss botanical science so fascinating is that it connects ancient northern folklore with modern sports medicine. Traditional Nordic cultures utilized Citraria islandinica for centuries to heal chest ailments, soothe skin wounds, and restore physical vigor after harsh winters. Today, molecular analysis confirms that those ancient healers were tapping into sophisticated immunomodulatory biochemistry. As your body begins to experience the benefits of reduced inflammation and accelerated tissue repair over weeks of consistent care, you will notice a complete shift in your physical capabilities. Delayed onset muscle soreness that used to incapacitate you for 3 days will diminish into a mild, manageable tightness that clears within 24 hours. Your joint mobility and flexibility will improve dramatically as chronic low-grade inflammation inside your tendons and bursae subsides. Nagging pains in your knees, elbows, and lower back that previously limited your workout intensity will fade away, allowing you to train with full range of motion and renewed confidence. For female athletes, keeping systemic inflammation low is crucial for maintaining menstrual regularity and preventing severe hormonal fluctuations caused by physical overtraining. Excessive physical stress steals resources from reproductive hormone production, leading to amenorrhea and fatigue. Arctic moss recovery protocols safeguard endocrine balance under heavy training loads. For male athletes, rapid tissue recovery prevents the testosterone to cortisol ratio from crashing due to chronic overtraining syndrome. Keeping cortisol under control allows natural testosterone levels to stay elevated, promoting lean muscle growth, physical stamina, and rapid athletic performance gains without resorting to dangerous synthetic hormones. While Arctic moss extracts are remarkably safe and non-toxic for the most vast majority of people, respecting your individual bio-individuality is always recommended. If you have an underlying autoimmune disorder or are taking prescription immunosuppressive medications, you should consult a knowledgeable functional medicine healthcare provider before starting concentrated immunomodulating botanicals. Start your recovery journey gradually by incorporating a certified, high-quality Arctic moss extract into your post-workout routine 2 to 3 times a week. Track your morning resting heart rate, your muscle soreness levels, and your daily energy scores to witness how your body adapts to these potent polar compounds. Remember that true physical longevity is not about pushing your body to destruction every single day. It is about balancing intense physical effort with equal intelligent physical recovery, using the most sophisticated natural compounds available on Earth to protect and restore your biological machinery. The modern world urges us to push past pain, take synthetic shortcuts, and ignore the warning signs our bodies send us. But by looking to the extreme survival strategies of northern nature, you gain access to a sustainable, evolutionary approach to human performance and physical longevity. Take a moment today to honor the incredible resilience of your physical body. The soreness and fatigue you feel are not signs of weakness. They are simply signals calling for better cellular nutrients, deeper sleep, and targeted natural support to help you rebuild stronger than before. When you supply your cells with clean nutrients, strategic movement, restorative rest, and targeted botanical support from rare Arctic mosses, your body responds with incredible strength and rapid healing. Your physical health is your most valuable asset, and nature has provided the exact tools needed to protect it. If you stayed until this point in the video, it shows that you are truly committed to mastering your own body and recovering at the highest possible level. You now possess the foundational knowledge to take control of your tissue healing and accelerate your muscle recovery using proven polar science. If you found value in this deep dive into Arctic botanical science, hit the subscribe button for DMMR, because on this channel, we will continue pulling back the curtain on the hidden biological facts, ancient extremophile remedies, and modern performance science that allow you to live with unshakable vitality.